Welcome back to the RC Bros, and today we will be unboxing the TRX4M Defender. Maybe the Bronco if you guys are nice. So let's get right into unboxing it. Okay guys, we're not going to show you what color I got, so you can be surprised. Make your guess, because there's red, silver, orange, blue, green, and tan. So make your guess down in the comments. And don't cheat. Do not cheat. Nobody likes cheaters. See if I'm even opening this the right direction. Can't show you the color I got. Have your instruction manual. Let's see if I can get this out of here. You guys are seeing it before me, does it look cool? Also, you're seeing what color I got. I got the red. Oh, it's upside down. The red. So you have your battery here. Just a dinky little thing. Also your charger, we'll have to throw that on. Your standard TQ remote. Oh, yeah, put batteries in that also. And the crawler. Dang, this thing is sick. So you gotta pop the body off. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, there it is. Get this body wrap off of this thing. And this truck is tiny. But this is really cool, guys. So you have your servo, motor, and EC. And your little strap for your battery. You can just stick it in there. And yeah, so it's on to wrap the body, and then we can go test it out. Okay. Now this body is absolutely awesome. We got the red. It's got some cool details in the back. So, yeah. Let's go drive it. Okay guys, as promised, I said if you guys were good, you were going to see the Bronco being open too. So, again, guess down in the comments what you think it is. Now this is your special treat for staying this long in the video, so thank you guys. Here we go. First off, instruction manual. Nobody needs that. Okay, here we go. I think I'm opening it the right way. Is it upside down? No, it's not upside down. Here we go. There it is. Anything else? Nope. So, we have our truck here. Like before, just TRX4M, black this time. Standard TQ controller. And battery charger. So you saw everything else on the other one, so I don't need to linger too long on this. To pop the body off and peel off wrapping off because it's so satisfying. wrapped around the or the body, and then you can just stick it on here, and boom. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching this video. You know, this is before I've even tested them, so outro before anything else. But thank you guys for watching and watching me unbox them and test them a little bit. So I'll see you guys next time.